Hello and welcome to Audiology Talk. My name is Tony Lombardo. I'm one of the audiologists here at Grason-Stadler, and I'm excited today to share with you some new details about Suite version 2.9. Specifically today, we're going to talk about configuration and setting up the GSI Suite for general practice. So, in GSI Suite, when you open it up, the configuration menu icon is here at the top, and what you can do is you can just press that configuration icon to open it up. But I wanted to make mention right away for those of you that are used to working with GSI Suite and managing your templates, we've created a new spot for you to enter the template editor. It's no longer in the actual configuration menu. It's right here in this drop down. So you hit the little caret below configure, and that is where you can now manage the templates. So let's enter the configuration menu, and I'm going to go through just a couple of go through a very brief summary of each one of these tabs that we have in configuration. So when you open it up, it defaults to the template tab. And basically, this is where you're going to do some of the global settings for all of your templates. So like if you're going to be doing it on a letter, and also if you want those reports to land somewhere after you save them, you can set that up here. In addition, this is where you'll set up your facility information for your logo and your address and all the information about your practice. You will set that up here. A very important tab is our Devices tab. This is where you will configure and set up so that it is reflective of the GSI products that you are connecting to Suite and transferring data to. By default, it's going to go with the AudioStar Pro, TimpStar Pro, Cordy, and the video otoscope. So if you have a different device and need to change that, this is where you would do that. Then we have two different tabs for audiometry and tympanometry. Audiometry allows us to do a couple of global settings for the audiogram, the pure tone average, and adjusting some of the overlays. Tympanometry is going to allow us to just see either the default normative data, so the box that we're used to seeing on the audiogram, and then it's also going to allow us to combine the tympanograms. The labels and fields is going to allow us to customize some of the different fields that we have here. So for example, if I have a patient ID and I want to change that to a different type of identifier, I can click on this and type in whatever I would like as my identifier, and that will be reflected then in Suite. The last tab that we're going to talk about is the General tab, and in this tab, what we're going to be doing is some basic stuff for graph orientation and how you're seeing your audiograms. But primarily what this is going to be is an area for you to do a backup, export data out, and email log files out. You can also from here manage some of the custom session information lists for your practice and also predefined comments for your reports. So that is just a basic overview of the configuration menu. You'll definitely want to spend a little bit of time here as you're getting used to Suite and setting it up for practice. So that's it for today, but stay tuned for more audiology talk and make sure to check out our social media for more information.